HOM 6 will demonstrate how to use the FormFast application. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to log on to FormFast application, overview of form imprint screen, search for and select a patient, search for and select documents or sets, print documents or sets, and log off the FormFast application. After logging onto the computer, locate the Citrix Web Access icon on your desktop. Double-click on the icon. This will bring up the Citrix login screen. Log in using your username and your password. Please note, domain is always corporate. Then click Login. The Citrix application screen will appear. Double-click on the FormFast icon. The login prompt will appear. Enter your personal username and password. Click OK. Overview of the form imprint screen. After you have logged in, the form imprint screen will appear. The screen is divided into two sections. On the left is a job section which displays a collapsed list of facilities and its departments, or a single facility, depending on the security allowed by your user ID. On the right is the records section. A list of all active patients will appear in this section, based on the facility or department chosen from the job selection. The list of patients will auto-refresh every 30 seconds. To refresh it manually, simply click the refresh button at the top of the screen. Searching for and selecting a patient. With the exception of the admission branch, the document tree is organized by facility and the department or functional area. Further branches of the document tree can be expanded by clicking on the plus signs next to the names. When it no longer expands, you have reached the end of that list. Begin by searching for your facility in the job section to the left of your screen. Once you have selected your facility, a list of departments in that facility will appear. Click on your desired department. A list of active patients in that facility will appear in the records section on the right. Select the desired patient from the list on the right. If the desired patient is not listed, you may search for a patient by name, account number, or medical record number by clicking at the top of the corresponding column. For example, to search by patient account number, click on the top of the account number column. The data in the column will automatically sort in ascending order. Click the search button from the menu bar and select Search Data from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. Enter the appropriate search criteria for the column you have selected, in this case, the account number. Be sure to click OK. Data matching the criteria will display in the records section. Search for and select documents or sets. To search for a document or set of documents, click the box next to the desired facility or area. Click the search button from the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click Find Job. The Find Print Job window will appear, prompting you to enter a document name or reference number. After you have entered the data, click OK. To select a single document, click the plus sign next to the desired facility or departments listed in the job section of the screen. Once you have opened the list and reached the end of the documents, click the box next to the desired document to highlight that document. Then click a patient in the records window to highlight the patient's name. Printing documents or sets. After you have selected a document and your patient, click the Print button at the top of the screen. To print a group of related documents, click the desired patient from the Records section of the screen. In the Jobs window, navigate to the level of the group or set of documents to print and click the box next to the name of the set. All of the underlying documents will be automatically selected. Then click the Print button at the top of the screen. The selected documents will print to your workstation's assigned default printer. If you are having problems printing, that workstation may not have a default printer. Should you have trouble verifying if a default printer exists, please call the Arden Help Desk. Logging off the FormFast application. To exit, click File on the menu bar. From the drop-down box, please select Exit. You have finished the FormFast tutorial.